mean, not Goomba, Koopa. Do you want to fight me? Oh, yes, I do. I'll beat your butt. Really? We'll see about that. Aerial attack. I win. No, you don't. Really? You want to fight me? My head. You hit my head. You forgot. I can make some things go through me. I forgot that too. No. Such a jet. You little stupid idiot. Yes, I win! Huh. I can defeat anyone. I think I should do like a combat tournament. That would be a great way to make new friends. Yeah.